So during this video, I wanted to do a little bit on dimensions and then images and files, like when you're done, to be able to give the images to a customer. So basically, we have this file here of some cabinets that we're working with, and we got some upper cabinets and base cabinets. Sorry, the wall's getting in the way. And then the tall cabinet on the left. So I try to get a couple angles here, just to give of like what their garage is going to look like. So what I can do, so let's just say this is the garage. This would be the first angle. I would try to shoot. And so say I want to capture this image and give it to the customer. I'm going to export, and on the free version, you only have two options to export. You can do PNG or STL. You see it says 3D printing. I exported some STL files for 3D printing. That was kind of fun. Our local library has a 3D printer you can use. It's really neat. The Vista library, if anyone's wondering. It's like 15 cents a gram. But I could maybe make another video about that some other time. But I export in PNG files. So that's what it looks like. You can set your pixels. I just leave it as standard and then export as a PNG. And then you'll see it in the downloads. And then once it shows up in the downloads, there it is. I drag it off and then drop it in an email. And so that's basically all there is to it. So yeah, here's what it looks like right here. You can see the dimensions look not as clean as I'd hope, but with the paid version you can do a little better. And plus, yeah, I'm still working on the kinks on that. So that's one angle. Basically, whatever angle you have the camera set to when you go to snap and capture is whatever the customer is going to see. Like, I could also do a close in that's dialed up. Like, that looks a lot cleaner right there. So if I were to do export PNG, that's a lot cleaner of an image. We'll see what this one looks like when we're all done. Sorry. Okay, sorry, I had to pause for a second there. So yeah, here's the file from the overhead view. I'm just going to attach that to my email when I send out the quote. Typically 4 or 5 of those different viewpoints. Okay, so here's the other one. You can see the dimensions showed up a lot better on this one, but because the angle I had it at, that 17 is still a little funny. I could probably drag that over left, make it look a little better. I'm going to try that. So I'm going to highlight that, select move, drag it to the center of the cabinet. Actually, this one too, I could move that dimension over to the center of the cabinet, and boom, there we go. I also could add some more dimensions. Like, there's really not any measurement of this wall here, and so let me find that valuable actually. So wanting to know how long this wall is, like, I would think it'd be helpful. So let's go click on that line, pull it down, boom, I like it. Not sure yet where I want it. Maybe right there is good for the wall length. And then we can also pull the wall height. And then we can also pull this cabinet. We can pull this cabinet height here. That's 7 feet 11 inches. Nice. And then let's get the height of these uppers as well. That'll be nice to get that documented in there. Boom, boom. 2 feet 6 inches. So these cabinets are 17 deep, 2 feet 6 inches tall, 48 inches wide, 4 foot wide. Okay. And then yeah, we've got these bases. These are a little deeper. Add the dimensions on. Boom, boom, 2 feet, boom, boom. And then, yeah, that 1 inch there is a little hard to see, but that's for the countertop. And now I'll be able to try to dial this in for the width on here. You can see, I'm going to actually delete that just because it doesn't look clean. But that gives you okay. So yeah, let's get the width on here too. So yeah, I hope this is making sense now, just how to add dimensions. In the paid version, I think there's like some plugins people use to try to make it more automated. Plugin Go. Yeah, if anyone knows of anything, definitely let me know, comment about it. That would be neat to learn about. So that's something I still want to learn better too, is placing dimensions on different axes. In the paid version, there's a different tool for making plans, like construction plans too. But it's all about time. Time is money. Doing it faster is always better. I've seen myself get faster at this, but of course there's always more and more tricks you can learn. And this workbench, what's that, 8 feet? Yeah, okay. Well, I've got some dimensions on here now, some more anyway. And so yeah, that's good. Having some more dimensions on there. I'll take another export PNG, export that, see how it looks. Let's drag it down. Yeah, see, I mean, it's a little messy, but for free, I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, you can really make it work, you know. You could do more angles and do fewer dimensions on each angle. As you take the pictures, add them and remove them so that they're clean when you're looking from front on, bird's eye view. You really get it dialed in nicely. So yeah, now I've got 3 different angles on this. I got this 3 different files that I've gotten, and I'll be able to send those in the email with the price for these cabinets. So yeah, cool. That's a nice little simple build, simple job, and simple garage. Cool. Thanks for watching about dimensions.